they get their feet wet, they get experience, or at the public defender's office. So my plan was to join the state attorney's office in Broward County, get my feet wet, learn the ropes about how they prosecute cases, so I could be the best criminal defense attorney that South Florida's ever seen. That was my plan. And when I was a prosecutor working on those cases, I enjoyed it. But then when I would see the lives of criminal defense attorneys, and when I would see the type of cases they worked on, their lifestyle, how much they made, all those different things, I wasn't really drawn to it as much. I started seeing, civil lawyers, and I started hearing about these, big firms like Kelly Ustall and Haggard and Skip Campbell's. And when I realized what I really wanted to be, when I looked up to Johnny Cochran, was a trial lawyer, someone in trial, and a great orator, a great speaker. And I always assumed that you had to be a criminal defense attorney to have that reputation. Then I started realizing that no, some of the best trial lawyers are actually on the civil side. And I had an opportunity to then meet Bob Kelly and John Ustall. And these are trial lawyers in Broward County who's handled huge mega cases against some of the biggest international companies, against General Motors, and $300 million verdict against Philip Morris and RJ Reynolds Tobacco. So, I met them and I told them my story, how I wanted to be like them, and how I wanted to learn from them. And eventually they granted me the opportunity to work for them. So I began working for Kelly Ustall in 2017.